spending some cool time in Nassau this weekend. Place is full with all kinds of ships. Yeah. Carnival, Disney, and 2 ships from Royal Caribbean. Beautiful day. Walk around a little bit, check out the water, see what it's like. It's clear. You see a lot of fish, you see a lot of people. There's, in the background, there's Atlantis. Great place to visit. Be sure you stop over there if you come to Nassau. Great place to stay also. Beautiful day here in Nassau. Pick a cruise. Check it out. This is Cruise Getaway Guide. Come join us. YouTube as well as Facebook. Thanks.